This cheap noodle brick looks basic, but it's a factory speed magic trick.
Inside, a compressed maze of noodles, plus seasoning engineered to taste like dinner.
The journey starts with wheat flour, because texture is born before heat ever hits.
Sifting keeps it consistent, no lumps, no surprises, just smooth dough every batch.
Water plus alkaline salts change the chemistry, helping noodles get that springy bite. Rest time matters. The gluten relaxes, so the noodles won't tear when they're rolled thin. Now it's all about thickness, thin enough to cook fast, strong enough to survive shipping.
Folding and rolling builds structure, like laminating texture into every strand.
This is the moment it becomes noodles, uniform strands for uniform cooking.
That wave isn't just looks, it creates pockets for broth and helps them cook evenly. Steaming partially cooks and sets the structure, so the final noodles won't dissolve into mush. Each block is weighed and shaped, because cheap noodles still need consistency.
The noodles are submerged in the shimmering hot oil, causing an explosion of bubbles as the moisture rapidly escapes.
They shake off extra oil and cool them quick. Hot noodles sweat, and sweat ruins crunch.
Seasoning is the cheat code. Tiny packets designed to taste like way more than they cost.
Those little veggie bits are dried hard, so they can wake up again in hot water. Packets are sealed fast, because moisture is the enemy of powdered flavor.
Now it's a complete kit. Noodles, flavor, and extras, built for speed and storage.
They push oxygen out and seal it tight, so oil stays fresh and the noodles stay crisp.
Even budget noodles get checked. Shape, weight, seal, because defects cost more than quality.
From here, it's pure logistics, stacked, wrapped, and shipped like edible geometry.
A few days ago, it was flour and steam. Now it's a shelf-stable meal for pocket change.
That's the real trick. Factory precision so you get comfort in minutes.